Every day is a unique day. Some days you'll be challenged with hydraulics, some days with chemistry, some days with biology. Some days it's just, why does this not follow what it should be doing?
We do jobs from airports to sewer to city planning and infrastructure. We brought on landscape architects. That was something that we never had before. And once we had, it opened up a whole new world.
We can try and help our clients identify solutions, whether that's construction costs or funding or just infrastructure in general.
We have a lab, and we have geotechnical, and we have survey and GIS, and it's nice to be able to work with people who are working in all aspects of the civil engineering world.
We try to encourage our engineers, our employees to assist in the growth and success of the communities where they live. So a lot of them serve on planning commissions and boards and committees and so on.
Ultimately, infrastructure is just that. It's what makes everyone's life. It's what makes American life possible. Most people don't realize that there's sewer and water under the streets and how it works. We take for granted the fact that when we turn on a faucet, water comes out of it. We take for granted that when we drive down a road, the road's not falling apart. It's understated, but yet so critically important. If you do it right, no one even knows you did it.
It's really looking at the big picture and not just the task at hand. We always like to look at how does this fit into all of their infrastructure.
When we do projects, we don't look at it simply as a project. We look at it as a means of what's in the best interest of the community, not just today, but long term. So that seeing farther idea of, I can do this project, or I can step back and I can look at the big picture and find out what's really in their best interest.
We wanted to emphasize that the engineers that worked on solving the problem would stay with the project through design phase and then construction phase.
Seeing farther means to me not just coming into a community and doing our project and then leaving, but really being there to help our communities thrive and grow.
It's not the calculations that I enjoy, it's the relationships, I guess, that get built around the type of projects that I do that I enjoy.
When we started the company, I thought I'd like to retire by the time I reach 55. But when I got into it, it's really interesting. I enjoy it very much. I enjoy working with the people, I enjoy solving problems, enjoying the continuing to learn.
If we can help our clients succeed, if we can help project managers succeed, if we can help young engineers learn, that's all important, and that's a matter of service, which is being humble.
I like the employee-owned aspect of it. It really changes our attitudes. It seems to have created an atmosphere in the company where all of us recognize that we're in it together.
I'm invested in the state of Michigan, and I want to see it grow, and I want to see its infrastructure improve, and I want to see the communities thrive. If communities are able to better plan and invest in their infrastructure, then they can focus on other things that help make communities special.